Hello, I'm going to walk you through the automatic pressure pipe cleaning machine, which can be used for industrial and residential pipe cleaning operation. The machine has 4 modes. There are 3 modes which regulate the pressure which goes into the pipework of your house or building, and an O3 production method which will sanitize the inside of your pipework. The machine can be used on both cold water and hot water pipework, and the machine is connected through the boiler input where the hot water goes through your house. So before commencing pipe cleaning, we first need to test the pipe pressures to make sure there's no leaks in the system. Here we have system pressure and working pressure displayed on the top of the machine. The working pressure is the pressure which goes through the pipework, and the system pressure is the pressure applied by the machine. Ideally, the system pressure and the working pressure should be the same. If there's a drop in working pressure, that means there is a leak somewhere in the pipework. To test the system pressure, just make sure the remote or the manual controls are on, and either using the remote or the manual control, press T,
Pipe test pressure.
pipe test pressure.
Pipe test pressure.
The working pressure up to 3 bar, which is the pressure inside the machine, and this is now the pressure in the pipework. We can see that it remains at 3 bars and there's been no decrease in pressure, so that means that the system has no leaks and we're free to go forward with the pipe cleaning operation. This machine has a 110 volt input which can be plugged into any socket in the house. It has a cycle output which is to use compressed air to force the water through the pipework, and it also has a compressed air intake. The machine is very, very simple. The 4-mode operation is here, controlled by buttons on the machine or by a remote, which can be used pretty much anywhere within the house or building. There's a safety switch here for the main power, which can be turned to on, and there are options for remote, off and manual control. The machine also incorporates test pressure. Before you start work, you can test the pressure of the pipework to make sure there are no leaks within the pipework in your building. And it also has the system pressure here, so you can regulate the pressure going through the pipework and into the water. These 3 modes here agitate the water which goes through the pipework, and by using different kinds of pressure, and backwards pressure and forwards pressure, the inside of the pipework will be cleaned by the pressurized water. And finally, as I mentioned earlier, we have O3 here, which is ozone, and that will sanitize the pipes after you finish cleaning them. Before we use the machine, we can bleed the pipework of water by opening the taps in your house. Once the pipes have been drained, we close the taps and then use a pump with hot water to feed hot water and a cleaning agent through the pipework. Once the cleaning agent and water has been put through the pipework, we then seal the taps and turn off the taps and let that sit for 30 minutes while the chemical, whichever you choose to use, cleans inside the pipe. Okay, so the machine is connected to the pipework through by ways of a compressed air tube or hose to this valve here. The compressed air goes into the valve and regulates the pressure through the water which goes through these pipes here. Now these pipes are connected into